Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Can I firstly thank the presiding officer and all of the support staff here today. You've had hours worth of work, but please take it from us, we are fully appreciative, because this is the core of our democracy, and we thank you. Can I also thank my wife and young children who haven't seen much of me lately, but hopefully will get to see more of me. My parents, in particular my mother, who still sits at home praying for me. All my brothers, and believe me, I have many of them across the history. And above all, the people of Bradford East for again placing the trust in me. For me, positions, and I'd say this very openly, are not what should matter. It's the change that we bring. And I am very proud of my record for the last 9 years. The same record that I went back to the people of Bradford East with. A record that meant that I was always accessible to my constituents. A record that meant that I would always be a loud voice against injustice. And a record that meant that I would be a loud voice for Bradford. And I again, it looks very likely today that there will be a Labour government. But the work for that government starts now. Because we must undo the 14 years of the Conservative austerity that has brought devastation to our streets in Bradford. The 14 years that has meant that our NHS today doesn't work. The 14 years that has meant that people today cannot get appointments, cannot go to a hospital even though they have serious conditions. That has meant that we have poverty on our streets. Children today are going hungry on our streets. The next government must change that. But it also has a duty to tackle international injustice. I will always remain the loudest, strongest voice against injustice at home and abroad. Because I want to reaffirm this commitment again. It is not Westminster or the political system that sent me to Bradford. It is the people of Bradford that sent me to Westminster. And I will make sure that the loudest voice on injustice at home, nationally and internationally, gets a whole lot louder. Thank you very much.